In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, AI, OpenAI has once again captivated the world with its latest creation, Sora. Representing a significant leap forward in generative AI technology, Sora stands as a testament to the boundless innovation driving the field forward. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the intricacies of Sora, dissecting its capabilities, potential applications, and the ethical considerations it presents in reshaping the landscape of content creation.
Can you believe what you're witnessing right now? Every scene, every character, every single object, all created by AI. None of it actually exists in the real world. It's like stepping into a realm of pure imagination. And here's the most astonishing part. All these mind-blowing videos are generated from simple text prompts. Yes, just a few words are all it takes to bring these incredible visuals to life. Let's dive into some examples and watch how a simple sentence transforms into a vivid, lifelike video. Prompt: historical footage of California during the gold rush. Prompt: a cartoon kangaroo disco dances. Prompt: a movie trailer featuring the adventures of the 30-year-old spaceman wearing a red wool knitted motorcycle helmet. Blue sky salt desert cinematic style shot on 35mm film. Vivid colors. Prompt: a gorgeously rendered papercraft world of a coral reef rife with colorful fish and sea creatures. Prompt: a young man in his 20s sitting on a piece of cloud in the sky reading a book. Prompt: animated scene features a close-up of a short, fluffy monster kneeling beside a melting red candle. The art style is 3D and realistic, with a focus on lighting and texture. The mood of the painting is one of wonder and curiosity, as the monster gazes at the flame with wide eyes and open mouth. Its pose and expression convey a sense of innocence and playfulness, as if it is exploring the world around it for the first time. The use of warm colors and dramatic lighting further enhances the cozy atmosphere of the image. What you've just witnessed is the magic of Sora, the groundbreaking AI from OpenAI. Yes, the same minds behind ChatGPT. This revolutionary tool is set to transform the world of digital media, and it's not even publicly available yet.
Sora's emergence onto the AI scene has been nothing short of revolutionary. The announcement of OpenAI's text-to-video model has sent shockwaves through the AI community, igniting a fervor of excitement and anticipation for its implications. With stunningly realistic video sequences generated from simple text prompts, Sora has positioned itself as a frontrunner in the race towards next-generation AI technologies. While accessibility to Sora remains limited at present, the showcased capabilities in generating lifelike visuals mark a significant milestone, propelling AI content creation into uncharted territory. At its core, Sora represents a paradigm shift in content creation, offering a plethora of opportunities across various industries. From the realm of filmmaking to the realms of education, entertainment, and beyond, Sora's potential applications are as diverse as they are expansive. Filmmakers can harness Sora to visualize complex concepts, simulate scenes, and create breathtaking special effects with unprecedented ease and efficiency. Educators can transport students to immersive historical recreations, while marketers can craft compelling visual narratives to captivate audiences. Moreover, Sora's versatility extends beyond traditional boundaries, empowering creators to innovate and redefine the possibilities of visual storytelling. To comprehend the marvel that is Sora, one must delve into the intricacies of its underlying mechanics. Operating on diffusion models akin to its predecessors such as DALL-E, Sora traverses the realm of random noise, gradually refining and transforming it into coherent visual compositions. Yet, what sets Sora apart is its innate understanding of object interactions and dynamics, imbuing its generated videos with a sense of realism and fluidity unparalleled in previous iterations. Powered by extensive training data gleaned from real-world video footage, Sora possesses an inherent comprehension of spatial relationships, motion dynamics, and environmental factors. This nuanced understanding enables Sora to craft lifelike simulations and reconstructions, blurring the boundaries between the digital and the tangible. Amidst the awe-inspiring capabilities of Sora lie ethical considerations that demand careful reflection and proactive measures. While the advent of generative video holds immense promise, it also introduces a host of challenges and potential pitfalls. The proliferation of convincing deepfake videos poses significant risks, ranging from fraudulent activities and phishing scams to disinformation campaigns and identity theft. Moreover, the democratization of video creation facilitated by tools like Sora raises concerns regarding consent, privacy, and the authenticity of digital content. As such, it is imperative for stakeholders to collaborate in implementing robust safeguards and ethical guidelines to mitigate the risks associated with generative video technologies. In navigating the uncharted waters of generative video, responsible AI adoption emerges as a guiding principle in harnessing the transformative potential of technologies like Sora. Education, legislation, and ethical frameworks must converge to ensure that innovation aligns with societal values and aspirations. Initiatives aimed at promoting digital literacy, fostering transparency, and upholding privacy rights are essential components of a holistic approach towards responsible AI governance. Furthermore, proactive engagement with stakeholders across sectors, including academia, industry, government, and civil society, is crucial in fostering a culture of ethical innovation and accountability. By fostering a collaborative ecosystem grounded in ethical principles, we can harness the transformative power of AI technologies while safeguarding against potential risks and pitfalls. In conclusion, Sora represents a watershed moment in the evolution of AI content creation, heralding a new era of creativity, innovation, and possibility. As we stand on the cusp of a paradigm shift in visual storytelling, it is incumbent upon us to embrace the transformative potential of technologies like Sora, while remaining steadfast in our commitment to responsible AI stewardship. By navigating the ethical frontiers with vigilance, foresight, and collective action, we can pave the way for a future where AI enriches, empowers, and inspires humanity. With Sora as a beacon of innovation, let us embark on a journey towards a future where creativity knows no bounds, and the digital canvas becomes a realm of endless possibility and imagination.